Long ago, there was a city. On one side of the city was a lake. Only mice lived there. They had fun and lived happily. On the other side of the city was a jungle. In the jungle lived a herd of elephants. They were ruled by a wise king, and they too lived happily. One summer it did not rain. The elephants were very thirsty. They decided to go to the lake. As the elephants rushed through the city, they did not see the small mice. They crushed them under their big feet. Many mice died and many got hurt. Let us go and talk to the king of the elephants. Maybe he can help, said a wise mouse. 3 mice were sent to the elephant king. They bowed before him. One mouse said, "Oh, king, we come from the city near the lake. While you and your friends were passing through our city, many of us were killed. Sir, will you be kind enough to choose another path next time?" The Elephant King was very sorry to hear that. So many mice had died.
"It won't happen again,"
he promised. "Thank you, sir. We are small, but we may be able to help you someday," said the mice. After many days, some trappers came to catch the elephants. They dug pits and covered them with branches. When the elephants passed over the pits, they fell into them. The trappers came and pulled them out and tied them to the trees. Then they went away to tell their leader. The Elephant King remembered the mice. The queen took the king's message to the mice. "Many elephants have been caught by trappers. Can you help us?" "Of course, we will help you," the mice said. They came running to where the elephants were tied up. They bit the thick ropes and cut them with their sharp teeth. Soon the elephants were free and happy. The big elephants and the tiny mice became very good friends.